Wood never goes out of style, but manual labor does. If you want to build a highly profitable workshop that prints money while you sleep, you need these 7 machines. 1. The automated toy-making machine. Let's be honest, parents are completely over cheap plastic toys loaded with sketchy chemicals. Instead, they're craving those classic, durable wooden toys that actually last. This massive wave of nostalgia combined with safety concerns means one thing: an incredibly steady demand for high-quality wood. But you can't make these efficiently by hand. That's where a CNC machine configured for toy production comes in. You just plug in your digital designs, and it slices flawless shapes out of premium hardwood on autopilot. We're talking intricate puzzles, building blocks, and detailed little vehicles. It handles micro details that would take you hours to carve manually. The best part? This premium market hates mass-produced junk. Independent shops and local boutiques are always hunting for unique items to stand out, and they gladly pay top dollar for a great story. Lock in just one wholesale relationship with a busy gift shop and you've got consistent monthly orders. Plus, because wooden toys are compact and tough, they're incredibly cheap to ship. You can easily launch a global storefront on Etsy or Amazon Handmade right from your backyard and watch the profit margin stack up. 2. The 4-axis sculpture carving machine. High-end artistic woodworking used to require decades of master-level carving experience. Not anymore. 4-axis CNC machines have completely leveled the playing field. Now, complex 3-dimensional sculptures can emerge directly from digital files instead of intense manual labor. This machine carves intricate details into dense wood blocks from multiple angles simultaneously. Suddenly, high-end figurines, gorgeous architectural accents, and fine art pieces are fully within your reach, even if you've never held a traditional carving chisel in your life. And remember, the art world values exclusivity above everything else. Wealthy buyers will gladly pay insane premiums for a limited edition piece nobody else owns. But the real money is in luxury construction. High-end contractors are constantly searching for local suppliers who can deliver custom corbels, decorative brackets, and ornamental panels for luxury homes. Don't forget the emotional markets either. Churches frequently need beautiful carved elements for their sanctuaries, and families regularly commission memorial pieces to honor loved ones. These clients prioritize absolute quality over cheap pricing every single time. It even mimics century-old designs perfectly, making you the undisputed go-to expert for lucrative antique restoration projects. 3. The window frame making machine. Every single building needs windows, and every window needs a frame. It sounds basic, but the construction industry gobbles up wooden window frames constantly. This creates a relentless, recession-proof demand that simply doesn't disappear, no matter what the economy is doing. To tap into this cash flow, you need a heavy-duty planing and shaping machine built specifically for window profiles. Weatherproof window installations demand extreme precision, and manual tools just can't deliver that level of accuracy reliably. A specialized machine ensures every cut hits exact construction specs. This is your golden ticket to the lucrative local contractor market. Builders working on high-end custom homes hate dealing with the shipping delays and massive headaches of importing frames from distant manufacturers. Your workshop instantly becomes their ultimate local source, offering lightning-fast delivery and the flexibility to handle custom project specs on the fly. Historical restoration projects are another massive, high-margin goldmine. Historic properties require exact replacement windows matching original designs that big-box stores don't make anymore. Discerning homeowners want that high-end aesthetic warmth, and they will happily pay a premium because the final look matters more than the cost. 4. The large format furniture CNC router. Custom furniture is the holy grail of woodworking because a single piece can sell for thousands of dollars. The only real headache? Building beautiful furniture by hand takes forever. A large format CNC router completely solves that production bottleneck. Complex joinery cuts that used to take hours at a traditional workbench are finished flawlessly in a couple of minutes. You can crank out table legs, chair backs, drawer fronts, and headboards ready for rapid assembly without sacrificing a single ounce of craftsmanship. Think about kitchen cabinets. Cabinetry alone can easily fund your entire business. Renovation budgets are massive, and a CNC lets you compete on premium quality while keeping production lightning fast and highly profitable. This massive capacity also unlocks major B2B wholesale deals. When a local restaurant needs 20 identical chairs, or a boutique hotel wants matching room decor, you can fulfill those volume orders effortlessly. While big furniture chains offer basic, boring options, you offer unlimited possibilities in any design or wood species. That kind of flexibility lets you dictate your own premium prices and scale your income like crazy. 5. The automatic engraving machine. Plain, flat wooden surfaces instantly skyrocket in value the moment you add custom engraving. Wrapping names, logos, or unique artwork onto basic wood transforms it into a highly personalized treasure or valuable corporate merchandise. An automatic engraving machine with a built-in tool changer makes this incredibly easy. It seamlessly switches between deep cutting, detailed carving, and fine text engraving within a single project file. This versatility lets you create complex, multi-textured products that single-function tools just can't touch. Personalization absolutely dominates the gift market. A standard cutting board becomes a family heirloom when you engrave a surname on it. A simple jewelry box becomes a cherished keepsake with a wedding date. Customers willingly pay massive premiums for customized items over generic alternatives. On the commercial side, high-end business signage is a fantastic source of recurring B2B revenue. Restaurants, cafes, and boutique shops all want distinctive wood signs to convey quality and permanence. Local business owners prefer sourcing from someone local who offers quick turnarounds and easy design tweaks. It's a simple way to turn cheap scrap wood into high-profit cash flow. 6. The multi-tool carving machine. While standard engraving takes care of the surface details, a heavy-duty carving machine digs deep into the high-end architectural market. This machine handles the massive, three-dimensional accent pieces that elite interior designers are always hunting for. We're talking about custom-carved cabinet doors, elaborate crown moldings, and stylized ornamental panels that show up inside luxury homes. Rich clients and the contractors serving them aren't looking for a discount. They want uncompromising quality and unique designs that scream luxury, and they have the budget to pay for it. By dedicating a high-speed machine to heavy carving, you maximize your shop's efficiency. Jobs requiring major material removal and dramatic texturing flow straight to your workshop instead of getting split up between multiple vendors. It completely removes the physical strain of manual carving, letting the machine do the heavy lifting while you focus on the creative side. It turns basic lumber into high-end architectural statements that wealthy buyers will snatch up on sight. If you want to position your business at the absolute top of the market, this is how you do it. 7. The wood profile machine. Picture frames, mirror surrounds, and baseboards all share one very specific manufacturing requirement. They need incredibly precise profiles cut flawlessly across long strips of wood. A dedicated wood profiling machine does exactly that. It carves custom contours into long timber feedstocks, rapidly creating premium molding that's ready to build. Standard profiles are great for everyday construction, but your ability to run completely custom profiles instantly sets you apart from mass-produced box stores. This machine is your ticket to becoming the primary supplier for local frame shops. A lot of retail framers are great at assembling frames, but they lack the heavy equipment to cut the raw molding profiles themselves. They buy their stock from suppliers like you. Lock in a relationship with just a few busy frame shops, and you've secured a predictable, recurring monthly income. The market expands way beyond picture frames, too. Every single renovation and new construction project needs crown molding, chair rails, and decorative trim. This massive architectural market never saturates, and custom profiles give you an unshakable competitive edge that keeps contractors coming back for more. The right machine doesn't just save time, it buys your freedom. So, which of these 7 is entering your workshop first? Comment below and subscribe to unlock our exact blueprint for scaling your setup.